Miley Cyrus is taking her love of being in her birthday suit to an all new level. Yep, you guys, just when Miley had pretty much done it all, you know, like freeing the nipple and all of that, well, she's taken things to the next level, announcing a completely nude concert. And she won't be alone. From what we hear, MC has enlisted the help of her friend Wayne Coyne of the Flaming Lips. And guys, he's actually the one who made this big reveal on his Instagram account, posting this photo with a caption that reads, quote, "At Miley Cyrus is planning a show where her, the band, us, and the audience are all completely naked with milk, well, white stuff that looks like milk, is being spewed everywhere. It's a video in the works for hashtag Miley Cyrus and her dead pet song, the Milky Milky Milk." So there you go. I mean, I'm definitely not surprised that Miley and Wayne want to go sans clothing, but the whole audience? I mean, I have to admit, even I was a little bit shocked by that one, but I'm sure there are like tons and tons of people out there who would want to be a part of this. Maybe they'll do it at like Burning Man or something, or maybe somewhere else. Anyways, to reiterate, the relationship between Miley Cyrus and Wayne Coyne is all about love, but people, don't get it twisted. Miley told the New York Times that, quote, "I am 100% in love with Wayne, and Wayne is in love with me, but it's nothing sexual in any way. That would be the grossest." So I guess the naked thing is just about feeling free. Not really sure, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about this nude concert experience? Is it too much? I mean, is it just like too cold? They're gonna pass out Snuggies? Or is it just right? Hit the comment section to weigh in. Then click right over here to see Lily and I weigh in on another of Miley's favorite subjects, pizza. Yep, we're eating the weirdest toppings of all time. You're gonna love it, or you might also be totally grossed out by it. Either way, click right over here to see for yourself. I'm your girl, Jocelyn Davis at Clevver headquarters. Thanks for hanging. I'll see y'all later. And to see the most controversial celebs of all time and to see us debate it, click to the left or click to the right to get our debate on the best songs of summer. It's getting crazy and it's getting debatable.